What's up, people? I'm Andre, and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. Sunday morning, you just got back from the gym, it's time to replenish. What do we eat? Protein French toast. Let's get started. So this is going to come together super easy. I've got a container here instead of a bowl just because I'm making French toast. So I want to make sure that the bread fits perfectly and it gets dunked in perfectly, right? So first thing I'm going to do is add in my protein powder, vanilla, whey. To that, I'm going to add in nutmeg and cinnamon. Now, before I add anything else, I'm just going to mix this up with a whisk. Whisk, 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 whisk. All right, cool. Now, to make sure you're not getting a nice little grainy texture with the French toast, I'm going to add in the almond milk next. And start mixing. Start mixing with the protein shake. Morning. All right, so I'm using the bowl, and then I'm going to transfer it back into the other container. This is easier to mix. Okay, so that is all incorporated. My arm is clean. Let's add in your 2 eggs. Okay. And to that, I'm also going to add in egg whites. So using the egg whites of 2 eggs. Bread time. Okay, the pan is hot, ready to go. Now for this recipe, we are using whole wheat bread, and it's not too thin, which is good, but I'm gonna let it soak for about 2-3 minutes, 2-3 seconds on each side. Cool. First one, in we go. And there you go, a little protein French toast just for you guys. It's time to taste. I added a little strawberry compote to the top, you know, just make a little fancy. Didn't put any maple syrup on it this time, but always next time. Okay, a little bit of the strawberry and a little bit of the toast. Oh, wow. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah, especially with the strawberry, that's nice. See, that's why I use vanilla, right? Because you get that nice little taste, and then you can do whatever you want after adding the vanilla, the protein. Oh, that's so good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment downstairs. And hey, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. Also, if you want to see what I'm up to day to day, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'll leave that down below. And if you want to get some Edible Fitness merch, you can also get it down below as well. All right, guys, love your food, love your life, and I'll see you in the next video.